Welcome to a Handbook of Engineering Mathematics by N.B. Singh. This book is designed to serve as a comprehensive guide for beginners and those without a mathematical background who are venturing into the field of engineering mathematics. Whether you're a student, an engineer, or someone interested in understanding the mathematical principles behind engineering concepts, this handbook aims to provide you with the necessary tools and knowledge to navigate through various mathematical topics relevant to engineering disciplines. Engineering mathematics forms the backbone of many engineering disciplines, providing the theoretical foundation for solving practical problems in fields such as mechanical, civil, electrical, and aerospace engineering, among others. While the subject matter may seem daunting at first, this handbook is structured to make it accessible and understandable for readers with varying levels of mathematical proficiency. The book begins with an introduction to fundamental mathematical concepts, ensuring that readers have a solid understanding of arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and trigonometry before delving into more advanced topics. Each chapter builds upon the previous one, gradually introducing more complex mathematical ideas while providing clear explanations and examples to aid comprehension. Throughout the book, we strive to strike a balance between theory and application, illustrating how mathematical principles are applied in real-world engineering scenarios. From calculus and differential equations to linear algebra and discrete mathematics, each topic is presented in a way that highlights its relevance to engineering practice. Special attention is given to practical problem-solving techniques, with an emphasis on developing critical thinking and analytical skills. We believe that understanding the underlying mathematics behind engineering problems is essential for devising effective solutions and making informed decisions in engineering practice. Enhance your understanding. One of the unique features of this handbook is its focus on clarity and accessibility. Complex mathematical concepts are explained in a straightforward manner, with an emphasis on intuition and visualization to aid understanding. We believe that everyone, regardless of their mathematical background, has the potential to grasp these concepts and apply them in their engineering endeavors. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, an engineer seeking to refresh your mathematical knowledge, or someone simply curious about the mathematical principles that underpin engineering, we hope that this handbook serves as a valuable resource on your journey. Our goal is to demystify engineering mathematics and empower readers to harness its power in their professional and academic pursuits. Happy reading and happy learning. Linear algebra. Linear algebra is a crucial area of mathematics, particularly in the field of engineering. It deals with vector spaces and linear mappings between these spaces. This chapter covers the fundamental concepts of linear algebra, including vector spaces, matrix theory, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, and more. These concepts are essential for solving various engineering problems. Vector spaces. A vector space is a fundamental concept in linear algebra and forms the basis for many areas of mathematics and engineering. A vector space is a collection of objects called vectors, which can be added together and multiplied by scalars, satisfying certain axioms. These axioms are designed to